The Jeep you can't have in the US finally has what all Jeeps should have: all-wheel drive. It's strange to be talking about a Jeep model that isn't sold in the United States. The Avenger, a Europe-only small crossover introduced in 2022, is produced at the Tychy factory in Poland, along with its sister models the Alfa Romeo Jr. and Fiat 600. It's only available with front-wheel drive, but is now available with a new 4xe. The hybrid trim adds what all Jeeps must have: all-wheel drive. At the heart of the Avenger 4xe is a small 1.2-liter gasoline engine equipped with mild hybrid technology. It's a 3-cylinder turbo mill that develops 136 horsepower and directs power to the wheels through a 6-speed, dual-clutch automatic transmission. 2 electric motors, one at the front and the other at the rear, each producing 28 horsepower, join the ICE. Jeep claims that the new hybrid setup makes it possible to reach 62 miles per hour in 9.5 seconds and a top speed of 191 miles per hour. The Avenger 4xe always operates in 4x4 mode with a 50:50 split between the two axles at speeds up to 30 km per hour. From 30 to 56 miles per hour it's front-wheel drive by default, but the rear engine is always ready to step in if the need arises. When you travel faster than 56 miles per hour, the rear engine is disabled to reduce fuel consumption. 4xe brings other advantages as well. The hybrid trim also gets a multi-link rear suspension and increases the ride height, providing an extra 0.4 inches of ground clearance, now 8.26 inches. Its 22-degree approach, 35-degree departure and 21-degree breakover angles are better than a regular front-wheel drive Avenger. Jeep says the more capable variant can handle water to a depth of about 15.75 inches. To make things even better, you can choose between snow, sand and mud, sport and automatic driving modes. Moreover, customers can spend extra for optional off-road tires that are better suited to tackling rough terrain. Jeep has amped up the Avenger's appearance by giving the 4xe rugged bumpers a scratch-resistant coating. Roof rails and a rear tow ball come standard. Inside, the seats are covered in a waterproof material that is claimed to be twice as durable as before. The seats also have a special coating that makes it easier to remove stains and mud. The Jeep Avenger 4xe, which is not exclusive to the United States, goes on sale in Europe later this year. It joins the already available mild hybrid and all-electric derivatives, both offered with a strictly front-wheel drive setup.